Hey grandmommies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tanya M, aka Diablo Verde, and today you're going to see a tutorial on how I created this fun look. Let me zoom in. This fun look here that I created for the spring because it is April 1st. Yes, it is April 1st. Well, rather, it's April 2nd. Oops. It's April 2nd, and I just want to have a fun, festive look, especially for this wig that I'm about to do a video for. If you want to see that video after it's done, I will definitely link it down below. Yeah, so I use this look. I wanted to try out. Now mind you, I have used this palette before, but I haven't made a complete look out of it. This is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. If you don't know what BH Cosmetics is, it's a website that sells affordable makeup. It does take a little bit of building. And after I make the video, you'll see my opinions at the end. I also, in this video, use from my Mayo makeup pigment stacks, and I'll post a link down below for that, for their Instagram. And also I used the pigments using the MAC mixing medium for my eyeliner, so that is where I use that at. So go ahead and stay tuned for the video. I will try to, I may not do it the same day I post it. I will try to post a list of products that I used down in the description box. Thanks for watching and have fun. Bye.
Hey, I'm sick of you niggas. I'm sick of you hoes. I'm about to come up. I'm ready to blow. I got the juice, and I'm a boss. I got the recipe, and I'm the sauce, yeah. All I see is dollar signs. If you got the money, then you know I got the time, yeah. Sick of you niggas. I'm sick of you niggas. Tryna act rich, but really broke, nigga. You're broke. It is what it is. We know. Yeah, you ain't full of shit, I'm not surprised. You said you love me, but you lied. Yeah, you lied. Ain't no tears up in my eyes. You want me back and I know why. But it's too late for all that lovey-dovey shit. I'm your wifey shit, go ahead and fuck with that other bitch. Yeah, it's too late for that. Yeah, it's too late for that. Yeah, it's too late for that lovey-dovey shit. I'm your wifey shit, go ahead and fuck with that other bitch. Cause it's too late for that. Yeah, it's too late for that. I've been getting to the money. Everybody mad. Every time your man see me, he like, damn, shawty bad. Yeah, she bad. Look at that ass. Watch how I'm dripping all on you. Watch how I'm dripping all on you. You little bitty bitch. Watch how I'm dripping all on you. Watch how I'm dripping all on you. You itty bitty bitch. I switch my lanes up. I'm stacking all this change up. Chasing the money, stacking these honeys. Boy, done came up. Boy, you lame, ain't got no stain. No, you can't hang with us. Silly boy, you friendly with these hoes. I can't show no love. Don't be surprised. I said I loved you, but I lied. Yeah, I lied. So no tears was in my eyes. You want me back and I know why. But it's too late for all that lovey-dovey shit. I'm your wifey shit, go ahead and fuck with that other bitch. Yeah, it's too late for that. Yeah, it's too late for that. Yeah, it's too late for that lovey-dovey shit. I'm your wifey shit, go ahead and fuck with that other bitch. Cause it's too late for that. Yeah, it's too late for that. Watch how I'm dripping all on you. Watch how I'm dripping all on you. You little bitty bitch. Watch how I'm dripping all on you. Watch how I'm dripping all on you. You itty bitty bitch.
was super fun to make. I try to use more color more often because I have tons and tons of palettes. A lot of them are neutrals or like pale or like neutral pinks, neutrals like that. So I wanted to go ahead and use my color palette, especially because it's spring and I want to get into the mood. So this is the look I created. My final thoughts on the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Actually, it's very pigmented, I'm not gonna lie. It is tough to build the colors on top of each other. It just takes a lot of working to do that. Understandable. Like I said, it's an affordable brand, so the product ingredients and quality isn't going to be top notch because then it will cost more. They did have a lot of fallout, I will admit that. It had a lot of fallout, so I definitely did my eye makeup before I did my face makeup. That way it wouldn't ruin my foundation and whatnot. So if you're looking for affordable makeup, a bright color makeup palette, definitely try BH Cosmetics. They're always having sales. There's many other bright makeup palettes out there, and I will be reviewing those very soon, so stay tuned. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscription button. If you want to see more detailed pics of this look, you can always go to my Instagram. The link will be down in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye.